You watch Parliament from outside, and you've got people calling themselves Umkhonto weSizwe, and I'm a one veteran of Umkhonto weSizwe. Now they sit in that Parliament in camouflage that they bought at Pep stores. It's not even the real bloody MK camouflage. The one they're wearing is South Korean, die dom mense. But they bought it because they got a discount. Number two, when they walk in the halls of Parliament, they are pot plants. So they even disappear in public. And thirdly, how dare they do stolen valor? If you are a person like me that fought in the trenches, I fought there. I carried the gun. I suffered the consequence. And now this party gets up and decides it's going to use an emblem, a heritage, and a history, like it or not, of people that were willing to die. And what they are doing in that party is a circus. But here's the thing, Chris. Even a circus makes money, although it is filled with clowns. So I must also say, and currently Parliament is in a tent, because it got burned down because of the incompetence of the ANC, and it maak het erger. They are already in a tent where a circus is.